Charlie, where are you? No, where are you? Are you on vacation? Where are you on vacation at? Are you in Quechee? And what are you doing right now? Swimming? You like to swim. In a minute when I'm done. You like to swim at Lake Penio, don't you? This is the lake in Quechee, where Charlie really likes to swim, as you can see. There's the playground.
Hello.
There's Daddy. Some swing sets.
Here's my little minnow.
And we're surrounded by the golf course.
You like that, huh?
You like that, don't you? Ready?